The world is changing at an accelerated pace. New environmentally friendly materials are rapidly evolving. Polyurethane composites, widely used in aviation and automotive industries, are now innovatively applied in architectural doors and windows. Authoritative data confirms using FRPu composites in door and window systems accounts for only 17% of the carbon emissions of traditional aluminum profiles. The production of FRPu composite profiles involves guiding fiberglass through a guide plate into the mold. Two-component polyurethane resin is injected via a dispenser into the injection box, heated and solidified in the mold. The puller machine shapes the product by pulling. This entire process is called pultrusion. The production process involves no volatile components, no gas, no liquid, no solid waste. FRPu composite profiles are lightweight and have high strength with low thermal conductivity and excellent corrosion resistance. In terms of surface treatment for FRPu profiles, we offer various coating solutions that ensure both an appealing surface effect and outstanding UV resistance, making the profiles suitable for harsh environments, such as wind power and marine engineering. As a flexible and durable polymer material, polyurethane is widely applicable in human contact applications and is recognized as a safe and non-toxic material. Lovelyhouse 140 series sliding TT integrated FRPu doors and windows, achieving the highest international standards in thermal insulation, soundproofing, water resistance, and airtightness. Super large doors and windows with a wide field of vision can also be made of FRPu profiles. Lovelyhouse possesses mature FRPu profile Pultrusion technology, leading production capacity and exceptional product quality. We provide comprehensive technical support for FRPu profile pultrusion process. FRPu profiles have gradually become the preferred solution for green materials. Lovelyhouse is willing to collaborate and exchange with global partners. Let us help you seize new market opportunities and build a sustainable future together.